the aesthetic.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and engage this video. Today it's going to be a simple nighttime routine using some of my favorite skincare products. Usually I like to start up using the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam, and I just take a little bit of this and spread it all around my face until it gets kind of foamy. Also like to leave the product on for about a couple of minutes before washing it off thoroughly. Next, I go in with my Micro Essence Water from Estée Lauder. This is kind of similar to a toner and it should be applied using some cotton pads, but I didn't have any here when I traveled, so I just used my hands to pat it in. And then next, I like to go in with the Advanced Night Repair Serum from Estée Lauder. This is my holy grail serum. It's very hydrating and it leaves my skin feeling really smooth every time I use it. I mean, just take a look. Next is this Supercharged Eye Cream from Estée Lauder, and I usually just take a little bit of this and spread around beneath my eyes and over my eyelids as well. This is to help with dark circles and also the appearance of wrinkles around the eyes. Next is this Revitalizing Supreme Cream. This is just another cream that I like to use before my moisturizer, and it's basically just like a skin plumper for me. I just use it because it gives this like smooth feeling on my skin, and I really like seeing that. And then the next is my favorite product from Estée Lauder. This is their DayWear Moisturizer. This is the absolute best product that Estée Lauder ever came up with, and I love it so much because it just adds so much hydration and glow to my skin, and it's so moisturizing. I can go on and on and on about this moisturizer, but you guys just take that in. Look at the skin, just look at it. Yeah, exactly. And as a final step, I like to use a lip balm, lip gloss, or any lip product just to give some hydration to my lips. Today I'm using Labello's vanilla flavored lip balm. I like Labello, they have a lot of flavors.
And that is it.